Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GK Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. Here I'm working on 2003 Cadillac CTS 3.2 liter automatic, and we just replaced the water pump. However, we decided to go ahead and check the timing here because the customer had an issue with a coat misfire on the bank one, and right here the line aligns the mark. This one doesn't. Okay, the driver's side aligns correctly and the passenger side, those two align correctly. So we're gonna put the tool there just to double check, but this one is off. That will explain the code, the misfire issue.